Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter, just open it. And now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner of the keyboard. Now let's enter the settings and tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the section with our languages. So here we've got the languages that we've got applied on the keyboard. Under it, we've got also suggested languages. But if you cannot find the language we'd like to set here, no worries, just tap on all languages. And here you've got a full list of all available ones. So all you have to do is to simply find it and tap on it. I will pick Arabic because it is a graphical language, so I will be able to show you. Of course, that was a misclick, as always. So let me get back there, actually maybe like that. Let me tap on Arabic because I want to use Arabic, and we have to wait until it will be downloaded. As you can see here, we've got the keyboards from which we can choose. Let me stick with this one, just tap on this tick icon. We can go to the very top of the list, and as you can see, we've got the Arabic and this Aragonese language. So let me turn it off actually. Right now we can go back to the keyboard and check how it will look like. Here we've got the layouts. Here we've got the let's say regular keyboard, but we've got one difference on the spacebar. It is not empty anymore. Here we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now I'm typing English, and if I would like to switch to another language, we have to tap on the spacebar and swipe. And as you can see, we can easily switch to the Arabic one. Let me show it to you again. And here we've got the English. So this is it. This is how to add a language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes we do not need two different languages added. So we have to go back to the settings. Let's tap on it, tap on languages. And here we've got also the hint of what to do in order to remove the language. So we have to long press to delete. So let me, before I will delete the Arabic one, you can keep it here, but only turn it off just by tapping on this switcher. So it will be applied to the keyboard, but you won't be able to write in it. If you would like to remove it from this list, just tap on it and hold it and tap on delete. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.